Hi everyone, welcome to another Digistore tutorial. If you are interested in learning how to make money using Digistore, you need to make sure to watch this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So if you are trying to make money with Digistore, you need three things generally. You need an affiliate platform or an affiliate product. The second thing you need is a landing page, so you can't promote your link or your affiliate link directly, so you need to create a landing page. And the third thing, which is the most important thing to start making money with affiliate marketing on Digistore or in ClickBank or any other affiliate platform, you need a traffic source. And in this video I will share with you two traffic sources that you can use to make money with Digistore. Really simple, and it's not complicated, guys. It's really easy. Just follow the steps right here. So for example, let's choose a product right here. In the most of my tutorials I chose this product because it's a great one. So you need to give it a shot as well. If you are interested in start making money with Digistore, try to promote this product because it's only $1 sale. So the customer will pay only $1 and you will get $37 in commission. So it's a great one. How to create a landing page? So now we pick the affiliate offer. Here is the landing page. We're gonna use all the time. I'm recommending for you guys to use sites.google.com, which is the site builder or the free site builder from Google. So you don't have to pay any monthly fees or all of this stuff, and it's completely free. And when we are talking about Google servers, we are not talking about any issues with your server get shut down or something like that. All the time the uptime is 100%, which is really good. So you don't have to worry about the speed of loading of your page or all of this stuff. So it's completely free with unlimited amount of traffic. Just send millions of clicks or visitors and you will have no problems because it's Google, and that's why I'm using them actually. So as you can see, it's really easy. It's all about drag and drop. So you can edit pages, you can edit themes, you can insert something like text, something like collections like this, some embed something with scripts. You can edit scripts as well. You can edit text box, you can edit images. It's really easy. Just click on the item you want to choose. You can choose text like this, just copy it and do whatever you want. It's really easy to edit images as well. Just click right here, double click on it, and you can edit by click on the image right here to change the image. It's really easy. Just 5 minutes and you will know all about this platform and all about these features. It's really easy. So I set up this landing page right here. As you can see, it's really simple. I just set up it just to create this video. So as you can see, here is how does it look on the desktop device, but because the most of our visitors will come from phone devices, here is how it looks on phone. It's a native landing page. It's really good and it's really fast, and this is the most important thing because you are gonna pay for this traffic, so you don't want your landing page to be that slow. So as you can see, here is how it looks with the affiliate link right here and these buttons right here. So what is the traffic source we need to use to send traffic to this landing page to start making money with this key to plan affiliate product? The first one is Taboola. Why Taboola? Because of the volume right there, it's really cheap. You can get clicks for 5 cents from the tier 1 countries. Yes, if you don't believe in this, just go and type on YouTube some Taboola case studies and you will see some people that are paying traffic from using Taboola can actually buy traffic for something like even 3 cents per click. So it's a great platform to use. And we are talking about their publishers. We are talking about some premium publishers worldwide. We are talking about USA Today platform. We are talking about the Weather Channel. We are talking about NBC, MSN. We are talking about Business Insider. You can show your ad app in these platforms just by purchasing traffic from Taboola. So this is the power of this platform. It's about the publishers. We don't care about the platform and setting all of this stuff, but we are we are caring about the traffic quality, and this is one of the signs that shows to us that right here we can get super high quality traffic to promote our affiliate products. And Outbrain as well. You can use Outbrain. It's similar to Taboola, and you can use it to buy traffic as well, to buy native traffic online, as you can see right here. So it's really another good platform with some good publishers right there. As you can see, they are working as well with CNN, with MSN, Sky News as well. If you want your Opera, you can show your ads on Opera browsers as well, as you can see right here. So this is the power of these native ad platforms. And now, if you are interested in creating a website, in our website right here, we have some great deals for you. If you are interested in purchasing Bluehost, hosting plans, or all of the stuff, or Jungle Scout, Helium 10, we have Clickfunnels as well, 40-day trial link. You can get it from here by using our affiliate link. You can use Namecheap to get cheap hosting. As you can see, you can get up to 83% off from your shared hosting bundle and from your domain name to purchase it. It's really good. It's a really good deals, as you can see right here. If you are trying to to start building a website with HostGator as well, hosting plan, you can get as low as 64% off hosting and 55% of website builder. So you can use HostGator website builder with the 55% off the pricing. Imagine you will save a lot of money, tons of money, by using our coupon codes right here. How to use a coupon code, I will show you how you can do it. So first you need to choose what you want to go with. For example, let's go with HostGator. With HostGator right here, just click on the platform you are interested in, and boom, right here you will get the coupon code. So this is the coupon code for HostGator. As you can see it from the video right here. So you don't have to go to the website. So just use RMN60 on your checkout page on the coupon place. Just insert this coupon and you will get 60% of hosting, as you can see right here. And if you are interested in more and more deals, we will make sure to add more companies coupon codes to make sure that everyone can find what he's looking for on our website. So we will make sure to improve it in the future to include more companies and more products. And sometimes you will not see, for example, let me show you something. You will not see a coupon code, but you will see a link. For example, something like Helium 10. Okay, Helium 10 is an Amazon product research tool. It's a great one, and you can get 50 off your first month by using our affiliate link. Right here we have a coupon code right here. Okay, so let me show you something with Clickfunnels. Yes, with Clickfunnels, yeah, here it is. So we don't have right here a coupon code, but we have a link, right? So just click on this link. It's our affiliate link, and we will get a commission by using it. So it's a win-win. You will get 40 days free trial, and we will get a commission from Clickfunnels company. So that was everything for today's video. I see you in the next video.